channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. This is an actual grocery haul. It's not a vlog with grocery stuff in it. It's a big one. We went to quite a few places. We went to IMPALA, DISCHEM, Checkers, Woolworths, and Value Co. I'm going to show you everything, how it all laid out. Let's start. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I tried to organize them, but there was just not enough space, so I'll just tell you as I go along. Starting here, this chicken, we got 2 trays of the 4-piece chicken thighs. Those are from PnP. So is this. We had, I think, 1 tray of this stewing beef, and then another tray of the beef poiki. We got 2 of those. One is being cooked with right now. And then we got a lot of cold drinks. They're not all from PnP, but like, let's move past that. We have a twist lemon, and then a twist granadilla, a Coke, a Sprite, Fanta orange, Coke, 2 Stonies, yeah, and then 2 little Cokes, a carton of lactose-free milk, a tiny little twist granadilla, a box of Rooibos. I've been drinking a lot of tea lately, so we're going through tea really quickly. This skinless, boneless chicken breast is from PnP. There's a lot of meat up here. And then we went to Checkers. I don't know where this is from, but this is the paper towels. These are the mega ones. Then we went to Checkers, right? And we got these Fat Cook mini ones. And then this is from PnP. It's a packet of licorice. I really dislike licorice. My mom loves it, so. Oh, okay. At Checkers, I picked up this box of the Beanies flavor coffee. This is a variety pack. They sell, let me tell you about this brand. They sell little glass jars of coffee, and there's so many different flavors. Let me actually read the flavors to you. It's 2 calories per cup. And this is a variety pack. This is really nice for you to try them before you commit to one single flavor, like a whole jar. So there's 12 different flavors. The flavors are amaretto almond, double chocolate, Irish cream, nutty hazelnut, creamy caramel, very vanilla, chocolate orange, mint chocolate, cookie dough flavor, cinnamon, hazelnut, coconut delight, and gingerbread. Wow, I'm so excited to try these. It's such a beautiful, like, this is so exciting. I'm a coffee person, but I haven't been a coffee person in a long time. So I'm gonna try these and figure out which ones are my favorite. I already love gingerbread. I already love cinnamon hazelnut and cookie dough and creamy caramel and very vanilla. So we'll see about the rest. I'm not so sure about chocolate orange, but we'll see. Okay, so then we also got some smoked Viennas. We got 2 things of cheese. This is the Lancewood cheddar. It's quite a big block. These are expensive. I think they were like 69 rand or something. Super expensive. Back there we have, let me try and show you. Oh, the lighting is bad back there. We have brown sugar. And then here in the front, we have the Romanita tomatoes. And then from PnP, they have a promotion going on where it's 3 Nestle products for 22 rand, like chocolates. So I think it's like this, or Ball-On, or Smarties or something. And then I have, so there's 6 of them. And then there's 1 walnut chocolate. Okay. So we went to IMPALA, right? These are from IMPALA, but look at this box, okay? My mom put us on these chips. They're amazing. I know I said I didn't like them before. They're so sour. I couldn't stand them, but they've grown on me. So that being said, in here, I think there's about 15 to 16 packets. That's insane. Each packet is 20 bucks. I'm just gonna leave that with you. You can just let that sink in. But yeah, I don't wanna touch them and make a noise, but at the back here, we have these Natkis. 2 packets of those. And then we also got eggs from Impala. These were 60 bucks. And then at Checkers, we got some pizza. This is a new flavor to us. So we were just introduced to this while we were at Checkers. It's the spur rib and bacon. They had this at Macro, but it wasn't the thick pizza. And at the time, we thought the thick pizza was not on promotion. So anyway, spur rib and bacon. And then we have barbecue chicken. That's all we have. Those are the 2 flavors. Let me show them to you. These are the 2 flavors that we have. There are how many boxes here? There's 5 thick ones and 4 normal ones. And then back there we have a packet of bananas. And here we have a box of milk. I love milk, guys. I could drink it in a glass just like and be happy. Anyway, we also got lotion because we were running really low on lotion. Back here we have this Jay's Home Guard. We have Domestos. We have turpentine for my sister's art project. And then we went to that like Value Co shop. My sister got these earphones, bread from Pick n Pay. We also went to Woolworths. My mom got these tiny little slippers for the baby. At this point, we are well aware that it's the child's foot instead of the shoes because he takes them off very easily. He loves to take off his shoes. I don't know why. And then we got the tights. My mom got these. These are in the size XXL. And then my sister got these tights, the thermal ones. And these are a medium. And then at that Value Co store, we got like just a spray container thing. Not a container. It's literally just a spray attachment that you can screw onto anything, hopefully. At Pick n Pay, my mom got this bath silicone sealant. Then at the Value Co place, we got this mask. Fashion mask, I don't know what that is. And then my mom picked up another one of these disposable daily masks. There's 5 in here, and they're 45 rand. So she picked up 4 packets of those. And then at Checkers, I saw that they had this soy sauce. I'm obsessed with soy sauce. It's so good. Like chicken fried rice and like Chinese food, give it to me. Anyway, the soy sauce is infused with garlic, ginger, and sesame flavor. So that is the most exciting thing. At DISCHEM, I picked up these nail nippers. These look so intimidating. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyways, we got the vegetable combo here. We have onions, butternut, gem squash, and potatoes. Then we also picked up these oranges from Pick n Pay. And then this is a huge 5 kg bag of basmati rice. This is from the Spicy Den. I think it's the Spice Den. Anyway, we got one of those. And then we've got more stuff on the other side. Okay, and then here, my sister needed a canvas for her art project, and they didn't have any at Westpac. They ran out, so we got this we got this A1 canvas, and this was 149 rand, I think. And then at the Value Co store, can I lean this here? Okay. At the Value Co store, we got this fur rug. It's not really a rug because it's like really thin. Here, this is what the back looks like. It's very like thin. This was $400, and my mom got it for the carpets in the TV room where we sit. So yeah, that's everything. There's the packet of bananas. So that's everything that we got. We were out here really late. We left the house at like 9, and we got back at like past 1. I think it was to 2. The malls weren't as hectic as we thought they would be, but we went to Cradlestone. So what's this? Clearwater was probably like crazy full, but we didn't go there, luckily. Anyway, that's the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the video if you think other people will like it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!